All right. So True Forex Funds is currently been temporarily terminated. How does this affect the True Forex Funds challenge that I'm doing? So some of you guys might know that I'm doing a True Forex Funds challenge at the moment, a 50k one. And at the moment, I'm not gonna spoil it because the full episodes aren't actually out yet. But at the moment now, with this happening, it has hindered the entire thing. You guys are gonna see the progress pretty soon as the episodes continue to roll out. But the main question now is, what am I going to do? Or what do I think about the situation? Okay, so first thing first, what's happening with True Forex Funds, for those who do not know, is that with MetaQuote, so MT5, MT4, they have been terminated. So they no longer have a relationship. So this means that they can't use MT5 and MT4 moving forward, as far as I know. So the problem with this is, personally, MT5 is my favorite platform to use. I don't really feel like using anything else. But we can see many brokers are being affected by this. So in the future, I do have to low-key think of something else, another alternative very, very soon. But the main reason True Forex Fund has been my favorite platform is because they have had the best spreads that I've experienced. I trade on the 5-minute chart and they have had the best spreads. But now that that's no longer the case, I do have a second platform that I will probably use. But regarding the True Forex Fund challenge right now, it has been going well. I mean, you guys will see the progress. I'm probably going to release an episode today, if not tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But this does mean that I'm not going to be able to fully complete the entire thing, just because there was phase 1 to do and phase 2, so it did need some time. Besides that as well, there have been delays on the account and stuff just because of this MT5 issue for like the past 2 weeks. So now that that relationship has been done, I'm going to find another platform. So what platform am I talking about? Now, the next best platform that I know has good spreads is FTMO. I haven't used FTMO this whole time since I've started trading, even though they are like the most popular. They've been around for the longest amount of time. So this is going to be the chance for me to actually use FTMO. So is there a point completing the challenge using FTMO? I don't think there's a point. I think you guys will sort of see the progress that we've made just using True Forex Funds alone. Another platform that I'm thinking of using now is also, I think it's called Alpha Capital Group. It seems very, very good. Interface looks very, very clean. I'm hoping the spreads are pretty nice, but I'm going to use them as well at some point down the line. And I'll let you guys know my opinion on them, how good they are, if they're good for, scalping like I do on a 5-minute chart. So those are the two platforms I have in mind. In the past, I did use Funded Next as well. They were a bit iffy for me. Spreads weren't the best. That's just the main issue. But the actual discounts that they provide and everything else was very, very good. But it's just, again, the spreads wasn't the best. So I don't know about Funded Next. But for those who are considering Funded Next, then they are actually, it's not the worst. You know what I mean? Like, I did get payouts with them and stuff. So it is still decent. They do pay you out for sure. I can guarantee that because they paid me at least. So, but yeah, I just thought I'll give you guys a quick update of what's happening with True Forex Funds, what the situation is, what I'm gonna do moving forward. So hopefully the website does come back live, so at least I can get a refund on my account or something. Because right now my account is just baking off there, and I don't know, I can't really do much about it. So hopefully I can get my refund in there and I'll put that money somewhere else. But do stay tuned for the challenges as they do roll out. There are a couple more episodes to come out, so you guys are gonna at least enjoy those ones whilst they last. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe if you found value in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.